Is your diesel engine suddenly feeling sluggish? Maybe pumping out more black smoke than a steam train, or simply trapping you in that frustrating limp mode? If you have scanned your vehicle and found the code P20D7, you are dealing with a malfunction in the exhaust aftertreatment system, specifically the fuel supply control circuit. Let's break this down into plain English so you can figure out what is going on under the hood. This code is generic, meaning it applies to most modern diesel vehicles from 1996 onwards, whether you drive a Ford, a Mercedes, or a Volkswagen. Essentially, your car's brain, the powertrain control module or PCM, has realized that there is no voltage going to the fuel supply pump for your exhaust aftertreatment system. You might know this system better as the SCR or selective catalyst reduction system. Its whole job is to clean up your exhaust gases by injecting a special fluid, usually diesel exhaust fluid or DEF, into the exhaust stream. This fluid gets sprayed in right before the catalytic converter or particulate filter to burn off nasty emissions like nitrogen oxide. When this system fails, the PCM cannot control the pump that moves this fluid, and that is when the trouble starts. This is considered a severe code. You really do not want to ignore it because driving like this can permanently damage the expensive catalytic system or the particulate filter, which costs a fortune to replace. Aside from the check engine light, you might notice a serious drop in fuel economy or the engine refusing to accelerate properly. So, how do we fix it? First, you need to grab a diagnostic scanner and a digital multimeter. Before you start tearing things apart, look for technical service bulletins or TSBs for your specific car model, as manufacturers often have specific updates for these issues. Start your physical work with a good old-fashioned visual inspection. Crawl under there and look at the wiring harnesses connected to the ES system. Since these are under the car, they are prone to getting hit by road debris or getting burnt by the hot exhaust. If the wires look good, clear the code and take a test drive to see if it comes back immediately. If it does, you will need to use your multimeter to check the voltage on the fuel pump circuit. You are looking for battery voltage and a solid ground. If you have power going to the relay but nothing coming out to the pump, you might just have a bad relay. However, if the wiring is good and the power is fine, the pump itself or the pressure sensor might be dead. It is a bit of a process, but checking these electrical basics first can save you from buying a pump you do not actually need.